Hi, I'm Leslie Lambert Redhead. I'm a watercolor artist, illustrator, instructor, and author of Watercolor 365. My goal is to help others embrace their inner artist through watercolor painting. Recently, I've designed some online watercolor courses. These courses include negative painting, positive thinking in watercolor, as well as loose realism, painting apples in watercolor. My latest online course is how to paint these winter roses in watercolor. In this course, you will learn and practice several watercolor techniques that will help you create your own winter-themed floral painting. You will learn how to create what I like to call loose realism. You will learn how to simplify and create a soft focus look in your floral backgrounds. You will learn how to see and paint values better. This lesson will never expire. You can go at your own pace and it will always be there for you. There are over 3 hours of instruction with lesson pages that are easy to navigate and includes downloadable drawings and guides. All levels of painters are welcome, and all of this for just $39 US. If you've taken my courses before, then you know how I teach and what to expect. If you've not taken any of my online courses, I offer a free course called Negative Painting, Positive Thinking in Watercolor, where you learn how to create willow leaves through negative painting. You can access this free course, as well as many of my other courses, including the Winter Roses, through my website at leslieredheadart.com or through watercolor-365.teachable.com. Please come join me in this course as we learn how to paint these winter roses.